The Subaru Forester IV, produced from 2012 to 2018, includes power folding side mirrors designed to protect them in tight parking spaces. The folding mechanism is controlled by a switch typically located on the driver's side door panel or center console. This feature helps prevent damage to the mirrors from obstacles or weather conditions. The mirror switch is typically found on the driver's side door panel near the window controls. It can also be located on the center console. Look for a symbol resembling a side mirror with arrows pointing inward. Some trims might have separate left and right mirror controls. Identify the switch before attempting to fold or unfold the mirrors. To fold the mirrors, ensure the vehicle is on or in accessory mode. Press the mirror switch once. Both side mirrors should fold inward towards the vehicle. You may need to hold the switch down briefly. This action reduces the width of your car, useful in narrow parking spots or garages. To unfold the side mirrors on your Subaru Forester IV, locate the mirror switch on the driver's door panel. Press the switch again. The mirrors will extend back to their original driving position in under 5 seconds. Always ensure they are fully extended before driving to maintain optimal visibility and safety. Here are some important tips for using the folding mirrors on your Subaru Forester IV. First, avoid folding or unfolding the mirrors while driving to ensure safety and proper focus on the road. In cold weather, defrost the mirrors before operating the folding mechanism to prevent damage from ice. After unfolding, readjust the mirror using the power adjustment knob if needed to ensure proper viewing angles. Consistent application of these tips will help keep your mirrors in good condition. When the side mirrors on your Subaru Forester IV fail to fold or unfold, systematic troubleshooting can help identify and resolve the issue. First, check the fuse related to the power mirrors located in the instrument panel fuse box. A blown fuse, often indicated by a broken filament or corrosion, is the most common cause of mirror failure. Use a fuse puller to safely remove and inspect the fuse for signs of damage. If the fuse appears intact, move on to inspecting the wiring harness connected to the mirror switch and motors. Check for frayed insulation, corrosion on connectors, or loose connections that could interrupt the electrical signal. Corrosion or water damage to the electric motor inside each mirror housing is another frequent issue. Moisture can seep in through seals, causing rust on gears and electrical contacts, preventing the folding mechanism from operating smoothly. If none of these steps resolve the issue, it's best to consult a professional mechanic. They can use diagnostic tools to identify deeper electrical or mechanical problems and perform repairs safely. Proper maintenance keeps your mirror system working reliably. Start by regularly cleaning the mirror surfaces with a soft cloth and mild soap to ensure clear visibility and remove dirt buildup. Next, inspect the mirror housing for any signs of damage, wear, or loose parts. Look for cracks, corrosion, or misalignment that could affect folding. If you notice unusual noises or slow movement during folding, address the issue promptly. This could indicate motor or wiring problems that need professional attention to avoid further damage. Simple maintenance, like cleaning and inspection, can significantly extend the life of your folding mirror system, saving you repair costs over time. The 2012-2018 Subaru Forester does not come with automated folding mirrors, but aftermarket kits are available to add this functionality. These kits typically involve installing relays and wiring to enable the mirrors to fold automatically when locking the vehicle. Installation requires connecting to the vehicle's wiring system, as shown in this diagram, and may need professional help. In contrast, newer Subaru models include auto-folding mirrors that activate automatically when the vehicle is locked or unlocked via keyless entry. Overall trends in automotive technology emphasize greater automation and integration with advanced driver assistance systems, as illustrated here. Despite these advancements, the manual folding switch on the 2012-2018 Forester continues to offer a simple and reliable solution.